Introducing the all-new 2024 Jeep Gladiator, the epitome of off-road capability. Unveiled at the 2023 North American International Auto Show, this midsize truck is set to redefine adventure. Packed with groundbreaking features like a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen, a fresh exterior design with a new 7-slot grille, and a trail-ready antenna integrated into the windshield. Available in Sport, Willys, Mojave, and Rubicon models, the 2024 Gladiator caters to every off-road enthusiast. With legendary Jeep 4x4 systems and unparalleled off-road capability, the Gladiator conquers the toughest trails with ease. It boasts up to 31.5 inches of waterfording, max towing of 7,700 pounds, and a best-in-class payload of up to 1,725 pounds. Step inside to experience the future with the 12.3-inch touchscreen and Uconnect 5 system. For desert enthusiasts, the Gladiator Mojave stands tall, featuring tuned Fox shocks and the coveted desert-rated badge. Customize your adventure with multiple door, top, and windshield combinations. The 2024 Jeep Gladiator, where capability meets adventure.